Welcome to Creole and Cajun Living with Bomb Cherry. In this video, I will be unboxing and assembling the Spicy Shelf Deluxe. Okay, so I purchased this shelf a few weeks ago, but when I opened it, it looked like it had many pieces. Looked like it was complex, so I just put it to the side until I had time to put it together. So today I finally decide to really open this up. I take out the instructions and I see, wow, it's a lot of pieces, but it really is very simple to put together. Let me show you how. Okay, so based on the description, it's a stackable cabinet organizer. And this could be absolutely 2 shelves or 1. So there is double of everything in this package. And here are the parts. Okay, so like I've already explained, there are 2 sets of everything because this is technically 2 shelves. And you do have the option to connect the shelving directly into your cabinetry with this hardware. Okay, so here we have parts E and F. They are the right and left sides to this shelf. Here's part A, which is the main portion of the shelf. Here's B, C, and D, and they are the extenders to the shelf. If you want the shelf to be longer or shorter, this is what you will use. Okay, so let's put this shelf together, shall we? It's just like a puzzle. Snaps right into place. You would only use the pieces needed in order to fit in your cabinet. If you wanted to shorten the shelf, you would clearly just take off a piece here and a piece there. It's just that simple. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the legs. And as you can see, the legs come in 2 different lengths. One is shorter, the other is longer. The legs can only fit in one way. You cannot force them to fit in any other direction. Okay, so here I'm going to add the support for the legs, just to make sure that everything remains sturdy and level. Okay, so there was a bag of hardware. For this last piece, you will have to retrieve it out of that bag, and it is to stabilize the back leg on this shelf. Okay, so I'm going to assemble the second shelf with the shorter legs, and we're going to see how long it takes. It only took me about 3 minutes to put this shelf together once you know what you're doing. And I was shocked because when I first opened this box, there seemed to be a lot of pieces. Okay, so here are both shelves using 2 different leg lengths. Here are both the shelves stacked together. And here are just a picture showing the difference in the heights depending on which legs you use. If you found this video to be useful in any way, please hit the thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe.